Artsy Alicia here. I came up with this really cool thing where you take the mess from one painting, like from a paint pour, and you turn it into its own masterpiece. So what you'll need is a mess of paint, or you can just squirt out some random colors of paint, and then you need a nice big brush and some watercolor paper. Let's get to work. Nobody wants to have a boring piece of abstract art, so make sure the brush strokes are in random places on the page to make it more interesting. The cool thing about this piece of abstract art is that it's so simple, and if you change around the colors, you can put it in virtually any room and it'll fit just right in. Enjoy!